How to create or modify an ACH template. To get started, first select the Money Movement option from the top navigation, and then select ACH from the drop-down menu. This page is where you can make payments and manage your templates. From this screen, you can edit a template by clicking on the name, or if no edits are needed, you can click on the bubble and select Continue to make a payment. If you would like to create a template, select the Create a Template option. This will bring you to the Add Template page. Next, fill in the name of the template, select the request type, and company ID from the drop-down. You can also enter a description of the ACH template. This description is only visible to you and will not display on the recipient's account. Now, select the appropriate debit account from the drop-down and then enter the maximum transfer amount. Review all of the information for accuracy and then click Continue. Take one more look at the template information before filling out the payment information. Under ABA/TRC, add the routing number. Under Account, add the recipient account number, and then select the account type. Lastly, enter the name of the recipient under the accounts. Detail ID is only for your records and is an optional field, along with default amount, which is the default amount set for the template. If you plan on using the template more than once for different amounts, you can leave this at 0. If you have more than one request, you can add as many as needed by clicking below. Once you are done, review all the information you have entered for accuracy before clicking Save Template. Your new template is now ready and can be used for creating a new batch.